how to enable or disable blind spot warning on Mitsubishi Outlander. So first things first, if you would like to do this, you need to use the dashboard behind the steering wheel. But how to navigate this dashboard? Let's use this part of the steering wheel. Here you've got arrows to the left or to the right to change options, and you've got this OK button. If you press the OK button, you will confirm the option, but you can also use it as a scroller. Alright, so now if you know the basics, we can go to our dashboard. As you can see on the screen, there is a dashboard. And here, if you would like to use the blind spot warning, you need to find the settings. So here we have the settings. Press the OK button to confirm it. From the settings, let's use the driver assistance. Let's choose here the second option, which is the blind spot. And if you press the blind spot, you've got the blind spot warning. You can enable or disable this feature right here. So this option controls the blind spot warning and active blind spot intervention system. Though the system, you can adjust the sensitivity and you can enable this warning feature. So basically, if you would like to use the blind spot, let's just leave it with the orange light. If you would like to disable, let's leave it with the black light. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.